Hi students, how are you all? I believe you are all keeping well and welcome back to the world of English. In today's session, we are going to deal with adverbial clause. Okay, we are going to deal with adverbial clause. Before we get into the topic, let's just revise what is an adverb. Okay, now what is an adverb? Words which are used to modify verbs, adjectives or adverbs are usually referred as adverbs. Okay, simple. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives and even adverbs. Okay, now let's see some examples. I often visit the library. Often is a adverb of frequency. Okay, adverb of frequency. Now, it is surprisingly hot today. It's surprisingly hot today. Surprisingly is adverb of manner. Okay, adverb of manner. The next one, the train travels very quickly. The train travels very quickly. How? Very quickly. Do you understand? Now let's see what is an adverb clause. A group of words which contains a subject and a finite verb that describes or adds meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Okay? In simple terms, adverbial clauses are also called as dependent clause. Okay, they are also called as dependent clause or subordinate clause. You have learned them already, right? So adverb clauses contain group of words which contain subject and finite verb. But please understand, they do not give complete idea. Okay, they do not give complete idea. Fine. So I already said an adverbial clause or adverb clause is a subordinate clause. Subordinate clause is dependent clause. It cannot stand on its own. Okay, it needs some support. Okay, later we'll see some examples. So an adverb clause is a subordinate clause or dependent clause which always depends on independent clause. Okay. So adverbial clause modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. Okay. Now it begins with a subordinate conjunction. Okay. It begins with subordinate conjunctions and it tells how, when, where, why or to what extent. Okay. An action takes place. Okay. Now let's see some examples. If Seema calls, please tell me that I will be late. If Seema calls. Okay, conditional clause. If Seema calls is subordinate clause or adverbial clause and the clause is beginning with if. Okay, the next one we have, we played in the garden until the sun set. We played in the garden is actually your main clause and you see your subordinate clause is beginning with until. Okay, until the sunset. Until the sunset is your adverbial clause. And say the next one, though she was busy, Alice helped the young boy. Alice helped the young boy as a main clause. And though she was busy actually subordinate clause. It's a dependent clause. It depends on independent clause. It cannot stand on its own. And see your adverbial clauses beginning with though or subordinate clause. Okay. Next, John went home after he finished his lunch. John went home is actually your main clause. Okay, independent clause. And see your adverbial or subordinate clause, how it is beginning after he finished his lunch. Okay, is it clear? So please understand we have four main functions. Okay, so adverb clauses we have like time. Okay, to indicate time we have after, before, when, while, as soon as, since, until. So adverbial clauses that are based on time will begin with after, before, when, while, as soon as, since, until. Okay. Now adverbial clauses with a cause and effect will begin with because, now that, since. Okay. And adverbial clauses with a contrast will begin with even though, although, though, while. And we have conditional adverbial clauses. It's if, unless, only if, whether or not, even if, in case. Okay. So your adverbial clauses will begin with these words, so easily you can identify. Okay. And they are subordinate clauses. Please understand. Clear? So please understand, adverbial clause is a group of words which plays a role of an adverb. Okay, it's a group of words, they play the role of an adverb. Simple. Okay. So we know already kinds of adverbs, right? Adverbs of time, adverbs of place, manner, reason, comparison, condition, concession, right? So all adverbs can usually be categorized as one of the following. Okay, all adverbial clauses. Okay, so they might be one of maybe adverb of time or adverb of manner or adverb of place or reason or concession or condition. Okay. So please keep in mind adverb clauses of time. Adverb clauses of time. Now, adverb clauses of time answers the question, or it states when something happens. Okay, when, time, when an action happens. So conjunctions like as, after, as long as soon as, before, since, until, when or while are used. So you can easily make out that subordinate clause begins with such conjunctions. They are adverb clauses of time. They indicate time. Okay. So here we have list of adverb clauses of time. So after, before, when, while, since, until, once, whenever. Okay, this is adverb clauses of time. After she graduates, she will get a job. Okay, after she graduates, she will get a job. Now, what is a subordinate clause there? After she graduates, it's a subordinate clause. And what is the main clause there? She will get a job. Okay, so please understand, subordinate clause cannot stand on its own. It depends on main clause. And let's see next one. I will have before he comes. Before he comes, adverb of time. Before he comes is your adverb of time clause or adverbial clause. When I arrived, he was talking on the phone. When I arrived is again adverbial clause. Next we have while I was walking home, it began to rain. It began to rain is main clause. Okay, and the subordinate clause is beginning with while. Fine. Next one, I haven't seen him since he left this morning. Since he left this morning is adverbial clause. Okay, and the next one we stayed there until we finished our work. We stayed there is main clause. Until we finished our work is subordinate clause. Okay, whenever I see her, I say hello. Whenever I see her, I say hello. Whenever I see her is a adverbial clause. Clear? Next type we have adverb clauses of manner. It states how an action took place. Okay, how an action takes place. So the conjunctions like as, like, how, and the way. Okay, so an adverb of manner often starts with one of the following subordinating conjunctions. Okay, so they are as, like, how, and the way. Clear? Next we have adverb clauses of place. You can understand, right, where an action takes place. Okay, an adverbial clause of place tells where the action described. Okay, so it's, the prepositions, they begin with the prepositions like in or near, or one of the subordinating conjunctions like anywhere, everywhere, where, or wherever. Okay, simple and adverbial clauses of place tell where the action described or where the action takes place. Clear? Now let's see some of the adverbial clauses of place. Okay, now young people have to go where they can find jobs. Where they can find jobs is a adverb of place. Where, adverbial clause, it is a dependent clause. And the next one we have everywhere we went, people greeted us warmly. People greeted us warmly is main verb. Okay, people greeted us warmly is main verb. Everywhere we went is a adverbial clause, it is dependent clause. And the next one we have she is always drunk. She is always drunk is a main verb. Okay, she is always drunk is a main clause. Okay, wherever I meet her, wherever I meet her is again adverbial clause or dependent clause. Is it clear? Next we have an adverb of reason or an adverb clauses of reason. It offers a reason for the main idea. Okay, an adverb of reason often starts with one of the following subordinating conjunctions. They are since, as, because, for. Okay, reason. Is it clear? Now let's see some of the examples of adverb clauses of reason. Okay, I could not come to your party because I was rather sick. Why I could not come to your party? Because I was rather sick. Because I was rather sick is adverbial clause or dependent clause. It is beginning with because, you remember? Okay. Next, the car crashed because the driver was careless. The car crashed. That is a main clause. Okay, and your subordinate clause is beginning with because, the reason. Because what is the reason? Because the driver was careless. Clear? And the next one, since this is a library research, all sources are taken from libraries. Okay, since this is a library research, since this is a library research is subordinate clause and it is beginning with since. Okay, all sources are taken from libraries, it is main clause. Clear? The next one we have, as this is the beginning of the football season, there are bound to be large crowds at the match. As this is the beginning of the football season is a subordinate clause. Okay, it depends on the main clause. Please remember it is beginning with as. Okay, adverbial clause of reason. Next one, as women were not supposed to be novelists, she took the name George Eliot. Okay, so as women were not supposed to be novelists, that becomes an adverbial clause of reason. It is beginning with as. Do you understand? The manager dismissed Mary. The manager dismissed Mary is actually main clause. Okay, and you see, for she was very lazy. For she was very lazy is what? It's a dependent clause. It is beginning with for. I believe it's clear, right? Now let's move to the next. Adverb clauses of condition. Adverb clauses of condition states the condition for the main idea to come into effect. Okay, an adverb of condition often starts with if, unless, only, if, even, whether or not. Okay, let's see some examples, you will understand much better. Okay, so the first one is, if it rains. If it rains, we will not go out. Why we will not go out? In case or if it rains. Condition. Okay. Next one, she will come if you invite her. If you invite only, she will come. Conditional. Okay. So if you invite her is a dependent clause. Fine. Now, she will take this medicine whether she likes it or not. Okay, she will take this medicine is a main clause, whether she likes it or not. Okay, whether she likes or not, she will take the medicine because she has to take. Okay, next one, even if they lose by 5 goals, people will still love them. Even if they lose by 5 goals, but people still love them. They will be loved by the people. So what is the subordinate clause here? It's even if they lose by 5 girls. Okay. Next one. Unless you love me, I will commit suicide. Okay. Unless you love me is a subordinate clause. Is it clear? Fine. The next one we have adverb of concession. Adverb of concession is used to express ideas or actions that are not expected. Okay, they are contradictory, opposite. Okay, let's see some examples, you will understand much better. Okay. Although he is small, he is very strong. Even though he looks very small, he is very strong. So, what is the adverbial clause of concession? Contradiction. He is small, but he is strong. Okay. Next one. No matter how smart they are required to do the revision. No matter how smart they are is a adverbial clause of concession. Contradiction. Okay, they have to, whether they are very smart or smart, they have to revise. Okay, they are required to revise. Okay, the next one, even though the weather was cold, I went swimming. Okay, even though the weather was cold, I went swimming. Even though the weather was cold is a dependent clause. Okay, next one, in Britain the hottest month of the year is July, whereas in Australia it is usually the coldest. Contradictions both. Okay, in Britain it is very hot, but whereas in Australia it's very cool. Is it clear now? Fine.